Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine that I've been doing of late, and I have already prepped my face and done my skincare routine. I know I look a bit dull, that's because I have a massive headache which is unbearable, but anyways, we're going to roll. So for my under eye, I'm going to use this red color corrector by Kryolan, and I'm going to cover my under eye over the lid. You see that burn mark on my nose? I'm going to cover that as well. The product doesn't stay much there, but I'm still going to try. And definitely the mouth area, that is pigmented like crazy. So I'm done, and that's it for the look. I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye. I'm just kidding. Coming to the foundation, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 332, and it's a golden caramel shade. I'm going to just take 2 pumps of it and dot around my face, only where I have color corrected. Now make sure you do this so that your base is not heavier, but of course if you're somebody who likes full coverage, you can go ahead and cover the entire face with foundation, but make sure you take less in the beginning and then just build it up, because this foundation is a foundation that you can build up. But taking my stippling brush, I'm gonna and if you see I'm holding my brush almost at the end, it's because you put very less pressure, so you don't move the color corrector that is there, but you just blend in the foundation on top of it. Then setting my face with this Kryolan translucent powder in the number TL11. I'm just going to make sure that there are no crease lines, and I'm just going to blend that with my finger and then go in with the powder. I'm going very light, I'm not doing baking or anything. Then for my eyebrow, I'm using this Morphe palette. It's an eyeshadow palette in the number 350. On an everyday basis, I make sure I'm not using 10,000 products. So in the same palette, I use the ash gray color to fill in my brows, and it just goes well. Again, from the same palette, I'm going to take this nice brown color which has red undertone to it, sort of like a red brick color. I'm just going to put it across my crease and just cover my eyelid just to give that flush of color for my eye. You can totally skip it, or you can just bronze that area. Sometimes I switch it up with a pink or a yellow, so it depends on what I'm wearing, what my mood is like. Then to contour my face, I am taking this matte bronze, and it's a beautiful shade. You've seen me use it. I'm just going to contour again very lightly and just on my cheeks and not anywhere else. Then for the blush, I'm taking this Nykaa's Lip and Blush palette. This is the Flower Child palette that I'm using, and I'm using a very mauve sort of a color for my cheek. So that's what I'm using and blending it in, because cream looks a lot more fresh and dewy. So I like it, and it's a perfect way to get a good, rosy cheek sort of a look. You can skip this step of applying the blush on your nose. Just because I don't contour, I prefer doing this, and actually this is one of my favorite steps. Then going ahead with the highlighter, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Jelly Highlighter in the number 2. It's a beautiful gold champagne shade, and I've also done a review on it, so you might want to check that out. I will leave it in the card above. I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face, on my brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, and even the cupid's bow. Also add a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner of the eye, just for your eyes to pop. It'll look stunning, trust me you guys. For my mascara, I'm just going to curl my lashes with this curler. I think it is by Cinema Secret. I'll try to find the link. Then going ahead with Kiko Milano mascara, I'm just going to coat my lashes really well. You know how this goes, so I'm just going to fast forward everything. For my lip, I'm using the My Glam's lip liner in the shade Basic, and it's a nude lip liner. If you're somebody who doesn't prefer using lip liner, make sure you at least have one which is nude color that you can apply before using any lipstick, and that's the only coat you need just to even out your lip color, and then apply any shade on it, reds, browns, whatever you like. But after that, I'm using the Lakme 925 Burgundy Lush color, and I'm going to coat it on top of it. I am somebody who likes bold colors, but you can go with neutrals too. Ta-da! This is the final look, and please tell me what you think about this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle on the screen, so don't forget to follow me there, and I am gonna sign off. Don't forget to stand tall, stay strong, and love strong. I'll see you soon.